Hello everyone. In this presentation, we'll be talking about SonaVault email archiving solution. As we all know, email archiving has gained tremendous importance in today's world. There are many reasons. Maybe it's the stricter laws, mortgage industry meltdown, various scams or Ponzi schemes we hear about. So it has actually become a necessity to implement a good archiving solution in your company. There are many reasons, out of which these are some of the top reasons we think companies out there should give a serious consideration for an email archiving solution. First, you see over here is the email storage management reason. And we all know Exchange has been growing tremendously at about 40%, a rate of 40% every year. And you'll be surprised to know that about 97% of business communications take place via emails. So it has actually become more important to manage your Exchange server properly now than ever before. We have features like stubbing and also single instance store that can help you lighten up your Exchange server by almost 80% or even more. We also have very intelligent built-in e-discovery features for you to take advantage of, where you can set up your own parameters, various parameters, or even define your own searches using our query builder. You also have the ability to go inside an attachment and do searches. We can also help you meet compliance requirements such as HIPAA and Sarbanes-Oxley. For example, if you need to save emails for 5 years or 7 years, we'll be easily be able to help you with that. This is just a partial list of some of the regulatory compliance requirements that we can help you satisfy. This slide, we depict a brief SonaVault architecture for the SMB market. So on a macro level, if I need to explain, we archive each and every single email that touches your Exchange server, whether it's incoming, outgoing, or internal. We will encrypt the email, and also attachments are compressed. Then those emails are archived onto the SonaVault server. As you see on the right bottom, there's two major components to that server. One is the SonaVault console, which is the application where you go to, for example, define your retention policies, do your searches, and run reports. And second component is the SQL databases, where we store the archived emails. On the top, you see different levels of authorization. As an admin, you have the full privilege to access the application, and you can also give certain limited privileges to your auditors, if any. And you also have the option to give your employees, your end users, the ability to retrieve their own archived emails. They'll be very easily able to do that using Outlook. So there's no plugins required there. This scenario shows if you have many different branches, we do support that. So via a cloud, you can send emails from various different Exchange servers and store them on a centralized SonaVault server. We also offer versions and modules for the MSP environment, where for a very low cost per month, you'll be able to service your client base archiving needs and provide that service. Now let's go over some of the major features of SonaVault. And first of all, as I mentioned, we help you meet the compliance requirements, if any. And all messages from your Exchange server are archived before they even go to the end users. We have support for single or multi-domain environments. We can help you reduce your storage and management costs to a great extent. We support all versions of Exchange from 2000 all the way till 2010. We also have stubbing in place that you will be able to use if you want to, that can help you lighten up your Exchange server by as much as 80%. Now think about it. If your Exchange server is lightened up, that can also help you with increasing speeds for your data backups as well. So that's another advantage we offer. And there's no need of plugins. You don't have to go to each and every desktop to have plugins for them. So it's a very easy procedure. we can have options for you where you'll be able to export emails from the application itself in formats like HTML, EML, MSG, and PSTs. We also have support for archiving and searching public folders even. You'll be able to archive your existing emails and also the PSTs. Now we also offer disaster recovery for the archiving server. If there are concerns about SonaVault or the archiving server going down, you can either back up your SQL databases or set up the standby server locally or remotely. So in case your production server, the production archive server goes down, you have a secondary server that can be relied on for your archived emails. This poses a very interesting scenario. Think about if your Exchange server goes down. Now, archiving will tend to stop because there is no communication since your Exchange has gone down. Now, we offer a very intelligent, robust technology where not only we'll be able to help you with backing up your Exchange data, but also help you create a standby server, again, at the remote site or at a remote or a local site, where you'll be able to fail over the Exchange server in case your production server goes down, and archive server will very smoothly and nicely connect to the standby server. So we will not stop archiving of any emails in case disaster happens on your production Exchange server site. Now this is just a partial list of our proud clients we service, and there's a ton of other testimonials and case studies on our website. So feel free to go there and read about how these clients of ours are using our products. Now, in conclusion, I would like to say that we started Sonasoft with a vision of simplifying data backup and disaster recovery for the Microsoft Server platform. And we are proud to say that we have continued our same values and tradition in our email archiving SonaVault solution as well. And we have done this by providing the SMB market a very cost-effective solution to meet your company's archiving needs. So we can't overemphasize having to implement an archiving solution for your company and be prepared. As we all say, prevention is always better than cure. This is Ramna signing off.